with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious coconut jello, perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And creamy coconut jello, these are the ingredients. I have unflavored gelatin, coconut extract, regular milk cheese, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of coconut milk. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and creamy coconut jello for the holidays. So let's get started. First things first, preparing our mold. I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, making sure that I cover everything. You really want to make sure that all those little crevices are covered with the oil, because you're going to add your jello in here and you want to make sure that the jello comes out perfectly and nothing sticks to the mold. Well, once you have already greased all your mold, put it aside. And here I have 1 cup of regular milk, nice and cold, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. We're going to add it, we're going to mix it very well, making sure that there's no lumps. You really want the unflavored gelatin to bloom, to get nice and thick. And once this is nice and thick, I will show it to you. We're going to go ahead and put it aside. And now we are ready to start adding everything into our blender cup. Of course, remember, we are using milks. I have 1 evaporated milk, 1 coconut milk, 1 whole condensed milk, and of course, into this mixture, we are going to add 1 bar of Philadelphia cream. We're going to add it in here. We're going to add our coconut extract, half a tablespoon of coconut extract, and then this is ready. We're going to make sure that this jello comes out so creamy, so delicious. And if you like and love the coconut jello like I do, you're really going to fall in love with this amazing coconut jello. Now let's check how the unflavored gelatin bloomed. Look how thick this is. Look at the texture. That's exactly how you want it. Look at this, nice and thick. It really looks really creamy because remember we added it into milk. And now we are going to put it in the microwave for just a couple seconds until it starts melting away and it starts looking again just like milk. Look at this. After we put it in the microwave, look at this. It's again nice and liquidy. Now we are going to add it into the blender cup. And then we are ready to just blend away. Let me tell you, this coconut jello is so perfect for the holidays. So perfect to end your day. When you have a craving of having something sweet at the end of the day, well, this is the perfect dessert. A coconut jello. Now I am ready to pour a little more than half, and the rest I am going to pour it in a cup. I am going to add a little bit of red food coloring. This is optional. I want to add it so my coconut jello comes out with 2 different colors. This is really going to look amazing. Trust the process. Once this is done, I am ready to just put aside the pink cup
And now I'm going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator for about 30-35 minutes. When it comes out, it has to be still a little jiggly. Be careful, add a little bit of the pink mixture, a little bit at a time, and then start pouring. You want to pour slowly so you don't collapse the white jello on the bottom. Once you add this, put it in the refrigerator, leave it overnight, and then I'll see you back the next day and see how this came out. Of course, nothing stays behind because this jello really comes out amazing. The next morning, let me wet my hands, let me pull the sides of the jello in, even the center. And now let's reveal. Let's see how this jello is going to come out. Look at this. Perfect and beautiful. This is exactly how you want to enjoy your amazing coconut jello. There's no need to add anything else, any decoration. Look at this. Of course, you could put some strawberries, some whipped cream on the center. You decide, especially if you're going to use it for your holidays. You want to make it for your holidays. You want to impress your loved ones. Well, just add some strawberries and some whipped cream right in the center. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I am sure it's going to taste delicious. Look how easy it is to make a dessert at home from scratch. And you have control of how much sugar you add into your jello. Look at this. I really love the texture. I really love the flavor of the coconut. It's really creamy. My mouth is watering, and I am ready to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you have a beautiful holidays with your beautiful family. Enjoy your family. I am ready to enjoy this amazing coconut jello. I'll see you in just a little bit.
Hello, my friends. I am completely done with this amazing coconut jello made at home with lots of love. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. I made this coconut jello for the holidays. Make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. Excuse me. So delicious. It's really creamy. The flavor of the coconut, just amazing. Perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing coconut jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.